you could keep your eye on the top of the ridge as well.
Yeah.
Top of the ridge, top of the ridge.
On the brake.
Suppressing fire. Backing out. Head down.
Our head was already down. Can't get it out.
Top of the ridge.
Yep.
Have a sneak round the corner, have a look. Just have a look. No one can see him. Is he out?
Yeah.
He'll just put his hand up, I'm going to shoot him again. You got another one, same position. Just look through here, look.
Yeah.
There's about 3 more to his left.
Hit.
There's about 20 there.
Hit.
Misfire.
Huh?
Misfiring. I've cleared most of them.
Nothing there. There's a load up ahead, but you're not going to get him from there. Not going to get him. Whoa! Shit! One there.
Position.
About 2 o'clock.
Roger.
Let's see. Yeah, see.
One's out.
Switching. Clear.
There was another one there. I don't know whether I got him as well.
We've got a sniper coming up. One of our snipers on the left, he's sneaking around to get him.
Roger.
You can see on that ridge. Right, think. Yeah, out.
Roger. We've got one sneaking up this road, look on the left. Yeah, you're too far out.
Yeah, they're covering off. We've got people on the right.
Roger. Keep your eye on your ridge.
There's another one coming.
Roger.
Watch them shoot. Two coming.
Roger.
Get one.
Can't see him.
One down. One. Down. It's not really reaching. Two more coming. Yep.
Both out.
Keep an eye on the target. Got one on the right somewhere.
Roger.
See?
He's hit. One
Yeah.
hit, one hit, one
Yeah,
length.
you can just see a bit of outline. Can't get. It's not got his head up.
He keeps popping his head up.
See?
Fucking hell, mate. They said I'll take some killing. My God.
And we've still got people on the bottom left covering the road.
Yeah, they're changing tactics. They're going down that left side of the road now. There's 1, 2, 4, 5.
Yep.
He's there.
I don't look tactical enough, I stick out too much.
They're thinning out a bit because they're getting wise to it and heading up that left flank now.
Yeah, and they'll just put themselves into the people who are there.
Yeah. I don't think you can reach, can you?
They're in range. Ridge.
Okay. That's two. Go. Hitting. Dead man, blue. Yeah, which is why if we fall back here, scope this fucking.
Still got the right hand side, that's still fortified.
Can we go down here? What? Yeah. Any locations?
Tom?
We need to back up and cross to the prison now then. Let's go then. Blues coming through. How long left, Marshall?
Dig in, guys, get ready. Right, so you've got 15 minutes of game left, but in 5 minutes' time it will go to dead and out.
Roger.
Most likely.
We just need to hang here and just defend that flag. The only way they can get us is to just run here and open fire.
They're going to try and push one and come on the left.
Yeah, well, we're going to watch this left hedgerow. Push to that wicker there on the tower. Oh, hang on, we've got one going there. Alright, let him go there. Push to that right wicker.
How's the ridge looking?
Ridge light.
What, you? How's the ridge looking?
Ridge light.
Got him.
I'm nearly out of ammo, so I've got to conserve my shots. Yeah, come on the Blues.
Boys, you played really well, that was fantastic.
Cheers, mate.
You two I know,
Oh, that
bloody
range.
pallets. You owned them.
Oh.
You realise you went on for about 25 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was brilliant.
We must have had 20, I reckon.
Yeah, I was sort of like taking sort of the ones just over your head, I think, and then
Yeah.
on the sort of the